getting into their safe spots right now.
Go ahead.
Do you mind?
Like, I think you do, like swivel your hips
You know,
on that thing.
Do it.
Chris would love that. Donnie, show us how it's done, please.
I can't. You're the expert.
I am the expert.
He's the one.
Don't fucking fall.
Film me, will you? Yeah, no fall. Okay, here we go. And 1, and 2.
Oh boy.
Oh my god, that's like moose.
Oh my god.
I got here. Yeah, man. Oh, that's serious.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. What's it? This is awesome. This is not.
Just waiting on the next scan to come in.
All right,
We
I'm
got
going
kid,
to.
You know, so far
You wanna?
to tell people to take shelter.
Just sit on
And we're
it.
just waiting on the next scan to see what's going on here. The good news is,
Brandon,
we do have
sit on it.
Storm Chaser Brad Arnold currently on Interstate
You
35
try?
going south
Fuck no.
directly towards that storm. So if this does turn around,
Don't send that video to Grandma.
Oh, I won't. It's just for us.